This is Winchfield. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Fleet.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. Today we're at Farnborough, Maine. We'll be seeing services from South Western Railway and hopefully some freight. Today is Monday the 13th of July 2020 and the time is 20 to 1. We're on the South Western Main line and I don't think there's anything else to report. However, I have been looking at real-time trains and there were meant to be 3 freight trains coming through 20 minutes ago, but I don't know what happened to them. It's been right about all the other trains, so that's cool. And we're on a bend here. You can see all the way down there's a bend, and this track is banked. Can you see that? It's like tilted, which is cool to see. And that's where Waterloo is, 33 miles, and then that's where Basingstoke is. It smells a bit like sea salt here for some reason, and let's see what we'll get.
Platform 2 for the 12:33 South Western Railway service to Basingstoke. Calling at Fleet, Winchfield, Hook and Basingstoke. This train has 12 if you are travelling train at platform 2 is the 12:33 South Western Railway service to Basingstoke. Calling at Fleet, Winchfield, Hook and Basingstoke. This train has 12 carriages. Some stations have short platforms.
016, we'll sort it. See it, say it.
Another train through the train. Oh, that's got graffiti on. Oh, that's not nice. Oh, man. Oh. Gosh. It's a lot of trains through a train. That leaves exposing the graffiti train. Oh, that's just not nice. Why do people do that to the poor trains? In the intro I forgot to do the I'm your host bit, so let's start again. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Farnborough, Maine, on the Southwestern Main Line. We'll be seeing services from Southwestern Railway and hopefully some freight. Yeah, there we go, so I've done the your host bit now. Phew. And those freights haven't come yet. But other than that, that's Farnborough currently.
Platform 2 for the 1303 Southwestern Railway service to Basingstoke, calling at Fleet, Whitfield, Hook and Basingstoke. This train has
there that goes, and then it will be time for facts with Boom. Right, now time for facts with Boom. So, Farnborough has an airport, and it used to be an MOD airport, but then it became a private airport, so that means that really rich people use it in their private jets. And as of the 2011 census, the population was 57,486 people. That's like way more than Bramley and Mortimer combined. They probably only made about 10,000 together. The station is 33 miles from Waterloo. Oh, I forgot to do that's where Waterloo is, 33 miles. And then that's where Basingstoke is, about 20 minutes away. Farnborough has another station called Farnborough North. This is Farnborough Main, and that is not on this line, that's on the NDL. Yes, the North Downs line. The station was used by 3.112 million people in 2018/19, so that's a lot of people. 3.2 million. If only they all subscribe to me. But that's pretty much all there is for Facts of Boom, apart from this like dot matrix thing. It's very fancy. It's like a full-on screen. Look at that, and it goes zoom. You must wear a face covering. If you travel, please observe social distancing and the time beneath it. And there's banked track, as I explained earlier. And I believe that's all for Facts of Boom. Thank you for watching this week's episode, and I'm sure I'll catch you in another Facts of Boom later. I've got some extra facts that I found out. Well, I just remembered. The station's got 4 vending machines, 2 on that platform and 2 on this platform, and a super closed Cafe Destino Cafe. It's like more closed, and that's basically all the food on offer. And it does have toilets, which are in there, and they were just opened by a guy about 5 minutes ago, in case you wish to use the facilities. I'll film this train leaving, and then I'll film part 2 and wrap this part up. What was that? Oh, there's another train about to fly through behind this one. So that's good. Here it comes! Wow, look at that tilt, gosh, it's big. Overtaken! Woohoo! Okay then, that wraps it up for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you Saturday. I think it will be Saturday's video. I'll probably see you on Saturday for part 2. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to stay alert. Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.